Hello guys, welcome to Interchange 3 Unit 6, the next fixing. In this unit, we're going to talk about problems with nouns and past participle adjectives. Also, we will see problems with keep plus gerund, and also we will describe solutions with need plus gerund and need plus passive infinitive. Let's begin. Some common complaints. Banking. The credit card company bills you for something you didn't buy. Online shopping. The store sends you an incorrect size. Internet providers. The internet connection is not reliable, and you hardly ever get the speed you pay for. Restaurants. The server rushes you to leave as soon as you finish your meal. Vehicles. Your new car consumes too much gas. Repair services. Your TV breaks again a week after it was repaired. Parking garage. Someone damages your car. Now we are going to describe problems using nouns and past participle adjectives. To describe problems with past participle adjectives, you need a subject, the verb to be, and the past participle adjective. In this case, the verb is break. The past participle adjective is broken. The window is broken. Also, we can describe the problem using nouns. For that, you need a subject, have or has, and the noun. For example, the window has a break. Another form is using there is or there are. So you need there is or there are plus a noun plus a preposition plus an object. For example, there is a break in the window. In this case, break, the noun, it's countable. So we can say a break, 2 breaks, 3 breaks, depending on how many. Damage. The tabletop is damaged. The tabletop has some damage. There is some damage on the tabletop. When it's damaged, it's not in a good condition. Like you can see here, the car and the tabletop, they are not in a good condition. Crack. The screen is cracked. The screen has some cracks. There are some cracks in the screen. Scratch. The city is scratched. The city has a lot of scratches. There are a lot of scratches on the CD. Ship. The cup is shipped. The cup has a chip. There is a chip in the cup. Tear. The jeans are torn. The jeans have some tears. There are some tears in the jeans. Wear. The sneakers are worn out. The sneakers have some wear. There is some wear in the sneakers. When we say wear, we're talking about an object that has been used a lot, and that's why the object is not in a good condition. Stain. The shirt is stained. The shirt has a red stain. There is a red stain on the shirt. Dent. The bumper is dented. The bumper has a dent. There is a dent in the bumper. Burn. The documents are burned. The documents have some burns. There are some burns in the documents. Leak. The ceiling is leaking. The ceiling has some leaks. There are some leaks in the ceiling. In this case, we are not using a past participle adjective. We are using the present continuous form, leaking. When we talk about leaking, we are talking about a liquid or a gas that is escaping. Peeling. For peeling, we only have the present continuous form. In this case, the walls are peeling. These are some materials and the problems that can affect them. Glass, ceramic, porcelain, china. Chip, crack, scratch. Paper, cloth. Stain, tear. Plastic, crack, scratch. Wood, chip, scratch, stain. Metal, dent, crack, scratched. This is a conversation between two people talking about problems in an apartment. Let's listen to them.
Page 38. Exercise 6. Conversation. It needs to be adjusted. Part A. Listen and practice.
Hello?
Hello, Mr. Leroy. This is Heather Foreman.
Miss Foreman?
In apartment 12C.
Oh, yes. What can I do for you? Does your refrigerator need fixing again?
No, it's the oven this time.
Oh, so what's wrong with it?
Well, I think the temperature control needs to be adjusted. The oven keeps burning everything I try to cook.
Really? Okay, I'll have someone look at it right away.
Thanks a lot, Mr. Leroy.
By the way, Ms. Foreman, are you sure it's the oven and not your cooking?
Describing problems 2. You can use need plus gerund or need plus passive infinitive to talk about solutions to common problems. Also, you can use key plus gerund to talk about repetitive problems. For example, the battery needs replacing. The walls need to be painted. My cell phone keeps freezing. If you see the battery is in a very bad condition or it's very old, we need to change this battery for another one. Here in the second picture, you see that the walls are very bad. They are in a very bad condition. They are not clean, so they need to be painted. And the last one, my cell phone keeps freezing. This is a problem that happens frequently with my cell phone when the applications don't want to work. You can use need plus gerund to describe solutions. For this, you need a subject plus need plus a gerund. The gerund is going to indicate a solution to the problem. For example, the cupboards need cleaning. The fire alarm needs adjusting. The lights need replacing. The plants need watering. The oven needs fixing. The ceiling needs painting. The window needs washing. And the light switch needs changing. When something is not clean, it needs cleaning. When something is not working properly, you can adjust it. When something is not working properly and there is no solution, you can replace it or change it. If the plants are dry, if they need water, you can water the plants. If something is not working properly, but there is a solution, you can call somebody to fix it, to repair it. If the walls or the ceiling are dirty, they are not clean because they are old, they need to be painted because the painting is peeling, you can paint it. And if something is dirty and you can use water to clean it, you can wash it. If something doesn't have a solution, you can change it for something new, for another one. You can also use need plus passive infinitive to describe solutions. For this, you need a subject plus need plus to be plus the past participle. For example, the cupboards need to be cleaned. The fire alarm needs to be adjusted. The lights need to be replaced. The plants need to be watered. The oven needs to be fixed. The ceiling needs to be painted. The window needs to be washed. And the light switch needs to be changed. You can use keep plus gerund to describe problems that are repetitive or problems that happen frequently. For this, you need a subject plus keep plus gerund plus a complement. The gerund is going to indicate the problem. For example, the car alarm keeps going off at night. I can't sleep because of the noise. The oven keeps burning everything I put inside. My computer keeps crashing. My cell phone keeps freezing. The lights keep flickering every 5 seconds. I need an electrician. The printer keeps jamming. I have to pull out the paper with my hands. Spotify keeps skipping some songs. My cobs keep dropping. I think it's a network issue. My laptop's battery keeps dying. I need a new one. The buttons on the remote control keep sticking. They don't work well. My car keeps breaking down. I need to call a mechanic. When the car alarm goes off, it starts to sound. When the oven burns everything you put inside, it probably needs to be adjusted. When the computer crashes, it shows a blue screen and you have to restart it. If a cell phone is frozen, the applications don't respond and you might have to restart it. When the lights flicker, they turn on and off, usually because there is an electrical problem. If the printer is jammed, you have to remove paper from the printer with your hands. If the media player skips a song, it doesn't play it and it jumps to the next one. When the cobs drop, they are interrupted, usually because of a problem with the network. If the battery dies quickly, it needs to be changed because it's probably too old. When the buttons on the remote control keep sticking, you push them, but they don't do anything. If something breaks down, it doesn't work. Well guys, that was everything for today. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. See you next time.